Hi guys, this is Divyanshi. Today I am going to discuss how to build chatbot from scratch that helps to automate your business. Either you want to sell your project or services. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. And definitely we will discuss what are the different niches that helps you can sell the chatbots, and what are the exact tools required to automate your business, what is the basic terminology for the chatbots. So here we will give the complete guidance of the chatbots. So please, let's stay till the end and let's begin. So move to the screen. So first, what is the chatbots? Okay, so here I will discuss what is the chatbot. Chatbot is just is a automated messaging app software that uses AI to communicate with your customers. It provides the services 24 by 7. So this is my pro account, manager pro account. Okay. Uh, First, I want to give the live example of the chatbots. After that, I will discuss what are the tools, what are the different tools uh, for the chatbots. Okay, and this is just a simple flow because other flows are complicated, other flows are too much advanced, and definitely in upcoming videos I will show the other flows. And so just start the preview. uh, Hey, uh, uh, you can see, hey, there are thanks for reaching out. Click the button below to claim your home credit, buy credit repair discounts, claim discount. You just need to click to communicate with the customer. Get started. Here is the, it will get, you will, they will get notified to start the conversation. Okay, so before starting, they are asking me some questions. What is the range of your credit score? Okay, so I don't need to type any text. I just need to select one for four of them. Okay, just like 600, 6500, 60 to 6500, 600 to 600. If you have ever disputed any of the negative item on your credit report in the past, click the button below. No, I don't have. This, after that, they are asking me about jobs, self-employed, and any other jobs. Credit repair company to assist your credit in the past, click the button below. No, I have not. We can ask 3 to 5 questions, all in automation, to know your audience, to segmentize your audience, so you can provide the best results to your audience. After asking 3 to 5 questions, they can schedule a call with you. Okay, this is the just a automated messaging. There is no need to text, and whenever user any inquiries at the 24 by 7, that they will answer you. Okay, this is the messenger bot. So first we will discuss tool sets. Whenever we are selecting any tools to automate your business, it can help you to spend less time on setup focus to generate revenue. So it is stable. Tool must be $1 million when your stories, not bug stories. Easy to set up, non top-notch sports. Whenever you will stuck, there is a team development team will help you. So always focus on that tools. Focus on marketing and promotion. If you will waste your time just on implementation, not focus on your marketing and promotion, definitely sales will not come. Deliver based on use cases, not integration. A tool that have lots of integration and features, but always think about that. Do you need this integration? Choose according to you can spend more time on the promotion. So most important thing is that features plus integration never drives results. It tools, because some of them asking with me, Divyanshi, I have that tool have lots of features and lots of integrations, and that tool have lots of feature with that tool, and why you are stuck with that tool. And I always think about feature plus integration never drives. A tools have lots of integration like SMS, emails, but most of the times all the integrations are not working well. So don't go for the features plus integration. Now go for free if you want to start a business, not NGO. Never go for free if you want to become CEO, not a freelancer. Never go for free if you want to go for long run, not just hope and pray, just hope and pray. Hope God. I've launched a project and just I want sale. So never go for that product. So winner is ManyChat. So winner is ManyChat. ManyChat is good for everything, every businesses except news and media. And Chatfuel is best for news and media. Only news and media. So here you will start the what are the basic terminology to build a chatbots. Today I will just explain the whole terminology, and in upcoming video you will start how to build from scratch. And this is the messenger REF URL. This is the grow tool. REF URL tool with payloads. It will help to identify which traffic source is best for you. Which traffic source is best for you. Either it may be Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. So definitely you can segmentize with that REF URL how to identify which traffic source is best for you. This is the messaging, and here you learn like this is the tag. Whenever tag is the major part for the chatbots, how we can segmentize our audience. For example, some students have registered for there are lots of courses. Some students register for the email automation, some student register for the chatbot, some student register for the Facebook ads. So here we are adding tags, and we can easily filter out how many of them interested in Facebook ads, how many of them interested in email automation, how many of them interested in chatbots, and how many of them interested in all of them. Okay, so we can send them personalized message. Those who are interested in Facebook, we can send the personalized link for the webinar. We can send the e-books or lead magnet according to their interest. If they are interested in email automation, then we can send the personalized message according to that. Okay, and here you can see this is the next step. Here, this is the actions, conditions. Okay, when we will select the action, then you can see, just click on the action button. There is a add tag. When we want to add tag, then thus I can see that they are interested in Facebook ads. You can see that. And there are different actions, custom fields, external request, Google Sheet action. We can filter out segment as our audience. We can filter out the data, those who are interested in like Facebook ad, those who are interested in email automation, those who are interested in chatbots. We can send data to the Google Sheet. And active campaign action, we can nurture our audience via emails. We can trigger the emails same time. Facebook custom audience. Once we will get the messenger, 100,000 plus subscriber in messenger chatbots, 300 are interested in the Facebook ads, 300 are registered in interested in the email automation, and 300 are registered interested in the chatbots. So we can create a lookalike audience. We don't need to we don't need to spend thousands of dollars again and again for the hard cut clients. Okay. If we will just flow the, you can see the condition. According to condition, if user are just match with the condition, then we can send say message. If condition is not satisfied according to us, according to our services, then we can send another messages. Smart delay. We can use smart delay like if they want the reminder from our side. With the help of smart delay, we can send the message after 4 hours, after 6 hours, after 8 hours, automated. If like we want to send the message, here we will select content type, other, we will select Hey, are you interested in Facebook ads? According to that, we can ask the question user input. Yes. Reply. Yes. This is a button. If user will reply yes, then we can send the automation message like that, another message. If user will reply no, then we can send another message. Okay. If user will just select the yes, then we can send them another message. And if user just select no, we can send the another message. We can redirect them to the another either flow. Another we can set for the conditions. We can send the emails to nurture them, and this is depend on different conditions. Okay, and here's here this is the some growth tools, actions, tag, conditions. This is the basic requirement for the chatbots. And one more thing is that field, custom fields. When where we reserve our data, and one more important is the custom field where we will save responses of our customers, to only responses of our customers. If someone asking for your phone number, then you will save in your phone number, okay, in your Android phone and in your uh, iPhone, sorry. Okay, so setting, go for the setting, the feed. User custom field is the user field and post field. User field is just for the users. When where users just we are saving users email IDs, phone numbers, uh, whatever the OChain we have provided, we have asked for the users. Okay, post field, are used by the admin. Okay, for example, if I'm a chatbot developer, I've used the social media platform. I have the Instagram, Facebook, website links. So I have created the bot field for everything. So every time we call the bot fields, So we will save our time. Wherever we want to use the Facebook, Instagram, we just need to save one time bot field and we can call fields. And it saves lots of time. Always become a smart marketer, not a spammy marketer. This line is from my mentor. And last one is the OTN. OTN is the one-time notification. One-time notification where OTN is the one-time notification uh, where we ask the user, we get the permission from the users. If they are out of 24-hour window, we can send them message. This is the permission. And most of the marketers use OTN. OTN is, as you can see, OTN used for the one-time notification. But most of the marketers use OTN and take the OTN once, and they are sending the message 4 times, 5 times, 10 times, and they are getting blocked by the Facebook. So be careful with the OTN. Don't become a spammy marketer. So in upcoming series, you will learn from scratch how to build bold field, user field, custom fields, how to bold bot field, user field, how to click active campaign, how to build the flows, different conditions. So don't forget to subscribe my channel.